Recently, Jacob Mdenda, the Speaker of Zimbabwe's parliament, made a controversial move. He reversed the appointment of MPs aligned with the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, to key parliamentary committees. This decision wasn't just a minor administrative tweak. Oh no, it was a seismic shift in how political power is distributed in Zimbabwe. Now, why does this matter? Committees are where the real work happens. They scrutinize laws, hold the government to account, and much more. By removing CCC-aligned MPs from these roles, Mdenda has not just reshuffled positions, he's potentially reshaped policy direction and governance in Zimbabwe. The CCC, primarily aligned with Nelson Chamisa, has been a significant voice against the ruling ZANU-PF party. This move can be seen as weakening that voice. But there's more to it. Mdenda didn't just stop with the reshuffling. He actually invited a rival faction within the CCCC to submit their list of leaders. This faction is led by Welshmen in Cube. What does this mean? It's a classic divide and conquer strategy, folks. By recognizing a different faction, Mdenda is effectively splintering the opposition, diluting its power to challenge the government. Critics are calling this a death nail on democracy. Why? Because a divided opposition struggles to serve as an effective counterweight to the ruling party. It struggles to hold the government accountable, to push for transparency, and to represent diverse viewpoints. This isn't just about political maneuvering, it's about the health of the entire democratic process in Zimbabwe. And let's not forget the backdrop of this drama, the ongoing struggles and hopes of the Zimbabwean people for a stable, accountable government. These political games have real consequences. They affect governance, policymaking, and ultimately, every citizen's daily life. So what's next for Zimbabwe? Will the CCC find a way to unify and push back? Or will this divide further entrench the status quo? These are questions that will shape the future of Zimbabwean democracy. That's it from me today. Keep an eye on this space. If you care about democracy, about justice, about the power of the people, this story is far from over. Thanks for tuning in.